What's the meaning of barbarically? Barbarically. Barbarically.
Barbarically. Barbarically. The word barbarically comes from the root word barbaric, which refers to something that is lacking in culture or refinement. In essence, barbarically means to act in a savage or uncivilized manner, often characterized by brutality or cruelty. When someone behaves barbarically, they discard the norms and values of society and resort to extreme measures to achieve their goals. This kind of behavior is often associated with violence, aggression, and a disregard for human life. It can be seen in situations such as war, terrorism, or even in everyday interpersonal relationships where one person seeks to dominate or control another through force or intimidation.